Hello and welcome back to Veeam Backup for Salesforce demo series. Today, I'd like to show you how to archive Salesforce data with Veeam. Efficiently archiving Salesforce data is essential not only for maintaining system performance and reducing storage costs, but also for ensuring compliance. By archiving all records, such as closed deals or outdated opportunities, you preserve valuable historical data for audit and legal purposes. Now, let's perform a regular operation in Salesforce and create a new account. Essentially, I'm having an issue with Salesforce storage, which means my company operations are disrupted and management team isn't really happy about it. Okay, let's see where the problem is. Quickly checking storage information page, and it's clear now. We have overused the storage quota, and I'm seeing a lot of tasks consuming the space. I'll come back to the tasks view to have a look, and also open a dashboard that will give me more information about those tasks. As you can see, they go back into the history and require some cleanup. But at the same time, I don't want to lose this data completely, for various reasons, including compliance. Luckily, I have Veeam to the rescue. Let's go to the Veeam console, where I can easily create an archival policy to clean up unnecessary data. I'm going to give it a meaningful name, so it's clear what we target. On the Data step, I should select the desired object type, tasks in my case, and then I can run a quick count to find out how many tasks I have in a backup. You can use various conditions to specify the archival range and also apply filter logic. For this particular demo, I'll archive all tasks that are older than 3 months. And again, quick run using the count button to confirm the reduced number selected for processing. At the Options tab, I can schedule this policy to run from time to time, depending on my needs. Also, I could run it right now in a test mode, querying the data and emulating the process but without any real impact. On the bottom of this page, I could also set additional safety limits, restricting the number of archived objects and related child records. The last decision here is to configure API limits. I don't want to run out of them in my production environment. Before starting the policy, 2 more checks. The first one is automatically done. All child objects are confirmed to be in a backup, and this is great. Now, let's see if my account has all required permissions to run the policy at all. No issues found, so we can proceed. Typically, I would wait for the backup schedule to kick in, but right now, I'm not acting during my company business hours and I don't expect any disruption. So therefore, I'm going to manually start the policy. The process wouldn't take a lot of time, but obviously depends on my data scope. Once finished, I can get additional information about the run in session details. All looking good. So now I'll go back to Salesforce, where I can refresh the dashboard. Voila! The task list has been updated and the archived ones are no longer here. As you can see, I've got the data for last 3 months. While the data is gone from production, I still have it in a backup and I can continue running reports and analytics on it without consuming precious API calls. At the same time, my Salesforce is back to work as I have available space to continue regular operations. That's really amazing. That's it for now. Please watch the other videos in this series to discover more product capabilities. Stay tuned. Bye.